rice and pancake. Yay! But first, wear aprons. Oh my god. I am a children.
Twist mo lang yun.
Now I'm gonna put this pot. Can I put it?
Is it really cooking?
I don't know.
Or you just gonna wait a little bit, right? Probably.
We can't do it here.
No.
Is it steaming?
Malaman natin. Pag may mga usok daw, normal daw yan sa first. Kasi first time ginamit.
Okay. Also, smoke. Okay. Is this your pants as well, mommy? Because it's long.
Ayun, lalagay ko na. Ito po.
This is shirataki. That's why it's easy to cook. Ready. Okay, I already smell it. Can we use the covering? Where's the covering? There? Okay.
Careful pag.
It's getting mausok na. But let's step it aside. But first, we need to ask our mommy for help. Mommy! Can I off it? Then we're gonna put the oil. What did it go again? I'm being careful.
Hold the...
Yeah.
This is warm pa.
Okay na. Pag rice yan. Pagluto na.
I don't know if it's luto. Is the duck luto
Parang
na?
hindi.
Because I think
Huwag mong hawakan to dito lang ha.
okay, 1, 2.
Halika. Ay, naku, pakabila. Buo. Sige, ikaw nagluluto eh. Yan.
Not perfect, but it's okay.
Oo. Try and try.
Everyone is not perfect.
Yes.
Wow.
Basta pag kinuha mo ganon, kuha, pak.
The second pancake I can do.
Huwag palabas. Dito sa middle, ha?
The second,
Kuha, pak.
the second I'll try that. Oh my gosh, it's cooking.
Ipat-pat mo mamay kasi para maluto yung loob.
Can I pat it? Be careful, does it? I don't get hot. What?
Move mo dun sa...
Jump, jump. Can I show others something? Sa video. Ate, come here. Ay. It's
Tunog.
sunog.
Okay lang yan. Pat-pat mo agad. Bantay-bantayan mo kasi anak. Ganyan ang pancake. Tapos kunin mo yung mga ano ha. Gamitin mo.
Go. Goodbye, everyone. We're going to goodbye now because rice and the pancakes are already cooked. And they already make a lot.
A lot.
And then bye for now.
And the three of us will eat some of the pancakes.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Kagat.
Mm.
Oh, hawak mo yung plato.